Hey guys, my name is William. In today's video, we're going to do an SEO audit for an air duct cleaning service. That's right, an SEO audit for an air duct cleaning service. So hey guys, my name is William. In today's video, we're going to do an air duct cleaning service SEO audit. I have 20 years of SEO experience. As long as Google My Business has been around, I've been doing SEO with Google My Business as well as local SEO. If you'd like to know more about me, you can simply go through the YouTube channels or go to rankfortress.com. But let's go ahead and dive right into this SEO audit. All right, it's for Duct Pro. He's located in Vegas. Vegas population's a little over 500,000. It's not too complicated, not too complex, not too, if you will, competitive. But duct cleaning is competitive, so it makes it overall, it's not a tough, not really tough niche, but not too easy either. So we're going to go ahead and go through this. One of the things I like, to always see on a website is a CTA or call to action, bright orange, somewhere up here in the top right. I also like the fact you got this book online down here that follows you, so that's cool. Let's look at your H1 headers. Make sure your H1 is where it's supposed to be. Yes, sir. You got Duct Pro. So Duct Pro is the name of your actual company, but it's not the actual keyword. Okay, duct cleaning would be the keyword. I personally would have taken it instead of said breathe fresh air with Duct Pro Las Vegas, which tells me nothing about what you do, is I would have put air duct cleaning Las Vegas. Leave the rest of the fluff out and get straight to the point. Okay. You got the free estimate, which goes over to our contact form on the home page. Most people, I'm just going to be honest with you, most people, when they're on this thing right here called your cell phone, they're not going to want to fill out a form. They're going to want to call you. So if I go get a free estimate, I want that to click the call and get a phone call, right? Now we have all our services over here. Let's look at our H1s and H2s and see how many we got. Great. Only one H1. That's all I want to see. A bunch of H2s, 3s, 4s, etc. Now, I want to look at how much content you got on the home page. I like the fact that you got your GMB embedded here. I would also want your actual GMB map embedded on the home page, and it is not. I don't know what this is down here, but this is just, if you will, a map of Vegas. It doesn't actually show your business or your GMB embed. Okay, so that's a couple of things I'd want to do. I do like the fact that you got your Google My Business listing here embedded. That's really cool. There's a couple other tricks I'd want to do, such as doing a write a review call out. If you go on this website that I built out, SOD installation, you go over here and you'll see this write a review call out. If you click on it, it's going to pop open with wanting you to write a review. Okay, that's that's one of the things I'd want to see added here as well on your website. I always want content, and then call to action, content, and then call to action, right? Not simply learn more. I want it to be call to action. I want them to get them to call you, right? Let's look and see if you got any internal linking. Internal linking means some of your text or your important text, let's say duct cleaning, should be hyperlinked to another page, and I'm not seeing any internal linking going on here. All right, you have some right here. That's cool. You only need about 1 or 2 per page. So don't go crazy, but you want to be hyperlinking the main keywords like this right here. Perfect. But as far as your content on these pages, you're slim to none. You don't have much content, if you will, on this page. So if I was to actually look at your word count on here, you only got, depending on how many, if you want to pull everything, you probably got like 300 words, if that. Maybe 500. There's not a whole hell of a lot going on here, right? You need more content. If you're going to look at duct cleaning and what to write about, one of the things I do, for instance, is I go, okay, who's some air vent or duct cleaners, duct cleaning in Vegas? Duct, let's go duct cleaning Las Vegas, right? And I want to look at the top 5 people and say, what are they doing that I'm not doing? I go to this person's website even and go open it. And once again, his website must suck. So he may need some shit going on with him. But overall, I want to look at their website, see what their structure's like and everything. Let's take a look at this guy, Vegas Valley. And we want to figure out what they're doing that I'm not doing, that maybe I need to apply. Maybe there's some content. Maybe there's some strategies. Maybe they're not. I can tell right off the bat it's probably a pretty easy niche to get wiggled into the top 3, if you will, just based off of their websites, really. If I look at what they're doing and I see that they're not doing much, I can generally tell you it'd take me about 3 months to get you ranked in this specific niche. You know, if I was to click on any one of these and I go, okay, what are they doing? Do they have their products done? What's their website like? How many reviews they got? All that shit I look at, and I think they're pretty weak. So I can go over here, for example, and I know example with your site, you have better content, better looking website, better branding. I personally think you need to dominate the 3-pack. 3-pack being, when I look up duct cleaning, why are you not here? And I want to get you there. So we're going to pull the audit report. So in your audit report, you only got 173 issues. We want to fix any of those we can. Good news, you have no errors. You only got 7 warnings, and we'd fix those. I'm going to send this audit report over to you as well. Now, when we go over your local Falcon report, your average ranking is actually not bad at all. In a 10-mile radius, you're in the top 5. What does this tell me, right? All these different numbers here tell me when I'm in these areas, this is your average ranking. You're appearing 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4, 5. What we really want to do is we want to concentrate on getting anything in these areas that's not in the top 3 to be in the top 3. We want to turn this whole thing completely green like a cabbage patch, get you dominating the top 3, and then we can take this from a 10-mile radius to a 20-mile radius, then a 40-mile radius, etc., and get you to dominate Las Vegas for duct cleaning. And I know that's what you want. If you would like to set up a phone call with me, all you simply have to do is if you go over to rankfortress.com, top right-hand side, or reply back to the email I'm going to send you. But top right-hand side, you can book an appointment with me. I got 20 years SEO experience. I know I can make this happen. Your population where you're at is only going to cost you about $500 a month. It'd take me 3 months. It only costs you $1,500 or less. So if you'd like to talk, reply back to the email I'm going to send you. If you'd like for me to audit your site, make sure to comment below and say, hey, William, can you please audit my website? And I'll do that for you. I'm going to get this video over to you. If you have any questions, make sure to respond back to me. I appreciate the time to be able to audit your website. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm here to help business owners like yourself. You have a great day.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. I was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most.